GM Abhish Matthew, how are you, my friend?
I am doing very well. Thank you very much. I'm excited. You know, as soon as you told me to come on this, I immediately called up Samay. And I was like, hey, buddy, these guys are like proper chess players. You do this joke like will like he's like, dude, don't overthink. I was like, okay, cool. I thought just I was so nervous.
Hey Abhish, you are so popular now. Really, you are so popular in the chess circles. कि मतलब जब भी कोई किंग को एंड गेम में बाहर लेके आता है ना अच्छे से कोई ग्रैंड तो एवरीवन इज लाइक जीएम अभिष मैथ्यू और वो मैग्नस कार्लसन भी देगा.
I am, and I'm saying this in utmost respect, but I am the Baba Sehgal of chess right now. And I mean it with the utmost respect. Like, it's funny. Whatever he does is incredibly funny. So I feel...
So much. Earlier we said that Harsha Bhogle is the Sagar Shah of commenting. Abhish Matthew is the Baba Sehgal of chess.
Abhish, there was this Magnus, there's this tour going on, Abhi, and all these like top players in the world are playing, okay? Like the best players of the world, including Magnus, Hikaru, everyone. And there was some game, I think it was in the quarterfinals or something, and I don't know which player. I think it was one of these guys only. And again, the king journey happened and all of that. And so our commentary was, I was commentating with one like a legend of chess basically, and it's a very chess heavy commentary, okay? And on the chess 24 chat, we are talking all these variations and line. And suddenly when White's king is on h4, the only thing that chess 24 chat is saying, GM Abhish Matthews, GM Abhish Matthews. The producer is messaging me and asking me what is going on here.
Who is this? FIDE list open karte top players in the world. Where is Abhish? Where is he? Because Abhish, your name is also like a top GM somehow. Like Abhish Matthew, it seems like a top grandmaster. Aisa naam.
Wow, yes.
Yeah,
thank
but
you
Abhish
very
has
much.
seen as a comedian and as a human being, right? He always presents himself as like an idiot, right? So you think ye bevkuf kya karega life mein? But he's actually like working really hard on everything. Like even with chess, right? He misled all of you is my assumption. These are allegations I will make. Usne dimag ka steroid
wrong
liya.
allegations. Kanan Gill was
दिमाग का
home.
स्टेरॉइड लिया है तू ड्रग्स करता है अभिष मैथ्यू ड्रग्स करता है ये एलिगेशन है.
Kanan was home. He opened chess.com because he started playing chess a lot. So he opened chess.com and used my account and he said, you've only played 8 games. I said, yeah, all those games are COB games only. Like 1 or 2 games that I've played before just to test. So I would say that's a wrong allegation. I am telling you, nobody can imagine that someone can be so stupid on a chessboard. Maybe that's what everyone gets confused. Like, what opening is this? It's an opening. No, ये मेरा छोटा सा प्यादा है. इधर ऐसा जाएगा. Horse can go right. Like, you know.
During the whole commentary, the only person who was in the same sentence with you was this player called Daniel Dubov. So it was like Dubov and Abhish Matthew, like they are the same level situation.
With it, you and I got tagged on some insane amount of posts with a letter and a number, like some H6 or some. I still don't. I know it, but I don't understand when you say the king was on H1, and I'm like,
yeah.
F4 मुझे पता है जिससे मारते हैं.
कौन सा post? Instagram
I don't
पे
know.
क्या?
Yeah, Instagram पे there's this chess community, insane chess community that I had no idea about, okay? And I am getting tagged on this and I'm feeling so good, okay? And I'm liking it also. Like, oh, ये देख मेरे पे joke है, ये देख मेरे पे. It's a joke that I haven't written, but I am the punchline. So I'm like, chalo.
Send me the post. मेरे को
But
भी
you know,
देखना है.
Abhish, from starting from playing against Anand, first time in that chess for charity, right? वो time पे, where you just played for fun and ऐसे, to now becoming like I say, you know, king movement के लिए famous. Do you think like chess has become a part of your life in some way?
Can I be very honest? The reason I called up Samay was also, I like you guys a lot, but I've never chilled with you, no? So you don't know that I'm being an idiot without any concern. So sometimes I'm like, if you guys are all on the chess stream, exactly, like you guys are here and I'm like, I am with like people who are really good at the game. So like, I'm just like, how do I communicate?
हमने तो आपको accept कर लिया as a part of a chess community.
Wow, well done, man. Well done.
But will you like do sets and jokes on? Will you have a set on chess?
100%.
Okay.
Not about chess, about what I am in chess.
Okay.
No, Tanya, you're giving him too much credit that he has sets. I've seen Abhish stand up.
Do it. Saurabh, I knew it.
It was easy to
Hi,
do.
Adi.
The beast
Yeah,
is
hi,
here.
hi.
The beast.
Hi,
Yo,
hi.
AD.
Yeah, and Abhish, like always a big fan. I learned how to play chess studying your games. So yeah, thanks for that. And yeah, Sagar, like a big fan of your
you.
copyright strikes. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you for the bag.
Yes, hi Danya, Vidit
Nice
and
dress.
Saurabh.
But
I didn't want to say that. Why are you starting that now?
Because before coming on this stream, I had to call someone and like be like, buddy, like, is this joke going too far? Like, is it because these guys are proper chess players? Now, then I saw Biswa and I was like, acha, take it out.
No, but there's nothing like a joke which like, see, the cycle of the joke is like, it's funny initially, then it reaches a plateau, and then people are like,
Yeah.
this is not funny anymore. Then it goes down, and then it starts becoming funny because people are irritated by it.
Okay,
So
fair enough.
No,
you've
but
not reached
Saurabh-
that point yet.
I no, trust me. I think with the Rider game, I peaked comedy in chess. I can't do more because because I didn't know what I did, and it ended up doing something. I was like, I can't be this stupid, yeah. With each game, I'm learning something. The more I learn, the worse I'll become at chess. Do you understand why I don't play chess? I'm afraid to become. I'll
No,
start.
Abhish, I think you are underestimating yourself. I think you still have a lot of potential in chess.
I don't want to. I don't want to think about because if I think, I'll make bad moves. Here, I'm literally looking at a board. Saying, what is the? There was this one incident. This was in Nivedita game when there was. I put my pieces out and she took one out without me seeing. And I was pissed off with the minister. So my entire board was trying to kill the minister. Wherever the minister goes, board goes there. Yeah, so that was COB 2. I think it was 2. And I was like, okay, now. So yeah, so that's what I said.
But you
So
know,
I don't-
Abhish beat Nivedita in COB2. Then Nivedita practiced really hard, became very good. Okay, at chess, like she improved with Amruta, and then they played in COB3, and Abhish again beat her.
that was.
Yeah, I told no. Some people don't need to work actually.
Man, okay. None of this is official saying. This is just jest. This is
Like
jest.
talent versus hard work. Abhish doesn't need the
I
hard
have-
Abhish doesn't
Guys,
need.
the reason I'm paranoid is because I've been getting some hate comments also from people where I'm like, buddy, it's a joke. It's a joke, and they're like, how dare you be with these guys? You know they work really hard. You're nothing but a joke. I'm like, I know. I am saying, I know I am the joke. I'm saying I am the joke. Nay, how dare you? And I'm like, अरे यार, this may be problem हो रहा
I
है.
like how people are like, बात क्यों कैसे की तूने? तेरी औकात ही क्या है? Like that's literally what it is.
I am waiting for some people to take this as a screenshot to say, how dare you be on this panel?
I mean, the person who kills most chess careers is of course Abhish Mathew. We have to mention that.
Nishant Tanwar gaya hai bhai.
Nishant
Nishant Tanwar, he left
Nivedita.
chess. I met him in Delhi. He was genuinely upset, man. He was so sad about it. I told him, "और chess कर नहीं, chess नहीं."
By Samay, let's organize Nishant Ryder versus Abhish rematch. Na maza आएगा.
अरे what?
Are you
Are
ready?
you
Are you ready?
want? You want
Abhish
him
is
to
so
lose
sweet. He
again?
will lose on purpose.
Yeah, Abhish. हाँ.
Wait.
Abhish,
There is you. If you think any of my moves have purpose, that's where you're wrong, my friend. So there is no purpose.
No, but did you see that video of you beating Ryder? In the end, you checkmated him. मतलब board पे checkmate होता नहीं है लोगों से. And आपने उसको कर ही दिया.
Yeah, I wish I knew it was moving towards a chessmate. Checkmate and chessmate.
Chessmate. Yeah.
निशान भाई सच्ची में छोड़ दिया यार. मतलब वो 8 घंटे स्ट्रीम कर रहे थे चेस.
Yeah.
The only person I know is Nivedita. After every match, she calls and we laugh so hard about what we just played. Because Nivedita, like for her family, like for us, it's so funny that we're always playing against each other in COB. Her time yahi hota hai. She plays really well. But I
Yeah.
wish I
Every
could
time she
keep it.
plays well, but you win. Yeah. This is the
Yeah.
pattern.
Yeah, so.
But also, like, see, Nivedita has other things in life to keep her happy. You know, Nishant, what does he have?
I don't understand what's
This
going
is like
on.
suddenly roast of Nishant.
Yeah, he's not even here. Yeah, we should call him and roast him.
Yeah, ask him to
We should
come.
call him.
I feel wait. It went from a stream to like I'm like अब मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा अब मुझे लग रहा है like
Listen,
now
see,
I'm feeling bad.
Abhish, you think we are roasting Nishant? We are just trying to make you feel really guilty. That is our purpose.
Oh, it's
to make
good.
you feel
It's
good. That's
happening.
It's working. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we
by
should
the way-
also call Nishant's trainer, yeah, COP trainer, Srinath. How his student life changed, yeah, after this.
I think he'll come back for the next COB. I think it's what you don't understand is now it's going back into training mode. So maybe like, people are playing chess, like, and then by the next season, you will see them all come with new avatars and like,
कोई फायदा नहीं कि जब अभिष में तो चौथे मुंह पे किंग बाहर निकालेगा. That is it.
And I like how we assume कि next COB तो आने ही वाला है, like that's good. समय आने वाला है ना.
Yeah. अरे मुझे next COB में मुझे I have to officially decline because I have peaked at COB 3. So I have to put up a statement. I will not be able to participate in this because I feel I have peaked in my chess career.